Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix game not using your GPU, that is your graphics card, while you are playing your favorite game. That means if you are playing your games that your PC's graphics card is not utilized properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first of all, go to right click your start button here and now go to settings. Here it is the settings option. And now here you can see the system option. Go to the system option, and here on top you can see the display option. Click the display option and scroll down, and here you can see the graphics settings. Click the graphics settings here, and here you can see choose an app to set preference. This is a desktop apps. Those are the apps in my desktop. Suppose this is the game that you want to play, that you want to maximize your GPU. You can also select any apps. Just click browse here, and after that you can select all the apps on the PC. I'm going to select this Blender app right now and select add. And after that, to improve the GPU option, go to the option here, click the option here, and here you can see high performance option. That is, if you select this high performance option, this application or the games will utilize the maximum power from your graphics card. And after that, just click save, and that's it. Your game will now use the maximum power from your graphics card. So it is a very easy fix. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.